Welcome to Elevated Home Designs. Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful transformations in modern living, turning compact, closed-off kitchens into breathtaking open-plan spaces. Whether through light, structure, or pure imagination, these redesigns prove that even the smallest spaces can unlock limitless potential. The journey begins with dark walls and confined corners, but everything changes the moment natural light floods in. As barriers fade, the room awakens. What was once heavy now feels weightless. Light doesn't just brighten the space, it redefines it. Every great redesign starts with a bold move, a wall removed, a panel sliding away, or a partition folding like origami. Instead of division, we embrace flow. Structure becomes motion, and the kitchen expands beyond its limits without adding a single inch of floor space. Sometimes the most dramatic change comes from inviting nature in. A window becomes a doorway. A plain wall opens to greenery. Suddenly, the kitchen isn't just a workspace. It's connected to sky, air, and life beyond the glass. True elegance doesn't come from excess. It comes from clarity. Clean lines, soft textures, and uncluttered surfaces turn chaos into calm. Each material is chosen with intention, allowing the space to breathe and expand visually, even when square footage remains small. Some kitchens don't just open up, they evolve. Floating counters, reflective surfaces, sculptural ceilings, futuristic layouts. These transformations remind us that design isn't just practical. It can be poetic, playful, even surreal. Why settle for ordinary when you can create wonder? And that's the beauty of transformation. No space is too small, no layout too limiting. With creativity, light, and bold design, every kitchen can become a statement of modern living. If you love watching spaces come alive, don't forget to subscribe to Elevated Home Designs, where every makeover tells a story of possibility. Until the next transformation, design boldly and dream bigger.